My name is Dr. Sufina Bano, and I'm a teacher from Directorate of School Education, Kashmir. And I have been in this professional services for last 13 plus years. And I'm working on multiple dimensions as a creative and innovative teacher within the four walls of classroom, employing the innovative teaching techniques to boost the FLN, and as a teacher mentor, as a resource person at SCRT and DITE Baramulla, content creator. Apart from the academics, I do serve as the social and environmental campaigner. And recently, I have been rendering my services as national mentor by National Council of Teacher Education. And basically, my goal is to eradicate the social issues. And when I realized that all social hot button issues, they have the common denominator, and that's education. So I took this profession, and my profession acts as a vehicle to serve my purpose. So that's why I am here by my choice, not by the chance.
You talked about your purpose. I want to ask what inspired you to be who you are right now? What inspired you to get in that place of education and deal with this crisis that we are facing right now? What made you to come here?
When we talk about enhancing the literacy rate, somehow we forget the essence of the education, because education is the only thing that make the citizens, that make the learner into the compassionate learner actually. And that will help them definitely how to read, how to write. But apart from that, and that will transform those learners into the super citizens. My actual aim is to eradicate those hot button issues which were emerging in our society. So I realized it somehow that it's only through the education that we can bring a massive transformation. And when I say that, I just simply you can assimilate out of my context that I wanted to be everything. So I choose this profession to be a teacher. So basically, I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a social worker. So through this very profession, I'm creating all those professions. I'm enabling my students. It brings a sense of pride to me that future actually is learning from me in my classroom.
I want to know what brought you to Devi Sansthan Leadership Circle 5. Like, what is that something that made you say that, okay, I have to be here? Because I know a lot of people couldn't make it. What you would want to tell them?
Basically, I have been associated with Devi Sansthan and all other interventions from CMS Lucknow for last 3 years. And it has been always an adventurous and great opportunity for me to learn the new things, to grab the opportunity to update and upskill myself. You know, we teachers are no longer the deliverer of the content only. We need to be the mentor, counselor, psychologist, and all other things.
Thank you so much for giving us your time. We really appreciate it.
Pleasure totes mine. Pleasure totes mine.
Thank you.
It has been an honor to be here and hosted by you. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you.